Here we have a Yanmar YM1602D four-wheel drive diesel. This comes with the factory installed tiller on it. Works really well, actually. Also has a 3-point setup, so you can take this off real easily and put a box scraper on it or something like that. Nice tractor, brand new loader, joystick controller. It's got a 4-foot bucket on it. It's got 3 gears, 3 drive gears, 3-speed PTO. Really good shape. It's got about 1,074 hours on it, which is really good for a tractor. It's got a brand new seat. Got a little bit of spotty something on it. It looks like a concrete splashed on it, these little dots. Really nice condition though. This hasn't been sent to Vietnam right from Japan to get painted all over. Vietnamese buy tractors from Japan. They're all rusted. They're all, you don't know what they are. They take them. They have their minimum wage, 50 cent an hour guy. Take them apart, paint everything, put them back together. If it has rust on it, they Bondo over the rust, paint over it, so it looks like you're getting this really nice tractor. This isn't that. Those are normally labeled YNMs. It's a nice tractor. What you see here is what you get. It's not the prettiest thing in the world because it hasn't been all painted up. Looks like at one time the side panel was painted right there. But it's in really good shape. Nice thing about this tractor is it's been completely serviced. When I went to change the oil was nice and clear. It didn't have a bunch of sludge in it. Same thing with the air filter. It was fairly new. I didn't even need to replace it, but I did. Fuel filter, I replaced it. It's got brand new hydraulics on it. Nice tractor. Doesn't blow smoke, doesn't leak oil. See, there's the oil filter there, just been replaced. Nothing dripping. None of the seals on the front are leaking. A lot of times on a 4-wheel drive, the front seals will leak. Not in this case. Good tractor. Loader will lift up about 750 pounds if you keep it balanced properly in the rear. Go ahead and start it up. Nice and smooth. No smoke. New battery in it. You can see here, that thing hasn't been all painted up. You look at the YNMs and everything's been spray painted. This is how it came. This is how somebody had this tractor and took really good care of it. Brand new battery. It's a good tractor. Anyhow, there it is. It's Yanmar YM1602D. Comes with the factory installed tiller. Comes with the front end loader. We also have box scrapers. We have brand new box scrapers, brand new post hole diggers. So if you want to see this tractor and any other tractors we have, go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.